Welcome, Sunny Trainer Mara here, taking you through your 10-minute beginner jog today. We're going to tackle some rolling hills, really fighting to keep our speed consistent as we work with some fluctuating inclines. Let's get into it. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get started just by pressing the start button on your treadmill. That should start it at a fairly slow pace. Every machine is going to be a little bit different. For me, it's starting me at 0.6. I'm just going to add some speed to be at about 3 miles per hour here, so nothing too crazy. Just for this first minute, little movement in the legs. Finding that natural swing with the upper body. Opposite arm is leg, going forward. And since this is a beginner jog, you can kind of take some time to get acquainted with everything that you're seeing in front of you on the treadmill. We're going to be utilizing both the speeds and the inclines today. Let's make sure our incline is at 1%. That's always going to be our home base throughout today's workout. From here, let's add some more speed, taking it up to either a more brisk walk, if you feel like you still need a bit more time to warm up, or I would encourage you to take it into a light jog. Nice and easy, just picking up 1 foot at a time. Chest stays right on top of your hips, right on top of your legs. And again, I'm gonna emphasize light jog here. This should feel very easeful right now. As mentioned, we're gonna ebb and flow with our inclines today. So we're gonna try to hold this exact same speed for the next 8 minutes. We're gonna add inclines and lower back down to 1%, okay? In about 10 seconds, we're gonna take it up to a 2% incline. We're gonna hold it for 1 minute, and we'll take it back down to this 1%. In 3, 2, 1. Take it up, 2%. Good, nice work team, halfway through at 2%. Last 10. Good, bringing that incline back down to 1% in 3, 2, 1. Settling in here. Should feel slightly less intense than being at that 2%. But building some endurance in these 10 minutes we have here today. If you do need to, on the 1% efforts, adjust your speed a bit, or really throughout this entire workout, feel free to, right? We're new to jogging. It's gonna take some time and some practice to learn what speed, what intensity we need to be at. Coming up in 15 seconds here, we're gonna take our incline up to 3%. Same idea, trying to hold this same speed. All right, let's go. In 3, 2, 1, take it up. So I don't know about you, but I definitely really feel the difference on that 3% incline. A little bit more challenging, a little bit more resistance. So as that incline increases throughout our workout today, I want you to make sure that your chest is leading you forward, that we're not leaning back. Just a slight natural hinge at the hips and tilt with the pelvis. You should feel the backs of those legs really lighting up to power you up the hill. Good, last 10. Back to 1%, 3, 2, 1, take it down. Hold your speed if you can. Awesome job, team. Guess what? You're already halfway done with your workout. Always coming back to your breath on every single 1% interval. All right, team. Coming up next, you guessed it, we're gonna go all the way up to 4%. Okay, option if you need to, since we are getting quite a bit steeper, you can lower your speed by about 0.3 up to like 0.5, okay? Let's take it up. 3, 2, 1, we're there. If you're feeling like you're having a hard time holding on to this and something's gotta give, let it be your speed in favor of holding your incline, okay? And try, if you do need to decrease your speed, just take it 0.1 at a time, right? Just one tap, see how that feels. Really trying to fight to build that endurance. It can be so hard at the beginning of your journey, getting into jogging or running, but we're getting comfortable feeling uncomfortable here today. Last 10. Back to 1%. In 3, 2, 1, take it down. All right, team, we have 2 minutes left at this jogging intensity. The final minute of your workout will be a walking recovery, but we're coming up on our hardest effort of the workout, almost to the end. You'll have the rest of the day to recuperate. You probably already know what it is, but we're gonna finish out at a 5% incline, holding this same speed. Same rules apply. Try to keep the speed where it's at. If it's really uncomfortable, you can lower it by 0.1 at a time, between 0.3 to 0.5. Try not to go lower than 0.5. All right, let's finish strong. 3, 2, 1, 5% incline here. Staying light on your feet. Increase your cadence if you can as well. So think of taking more steps to bring you forward. Even though the speed itself is the same, you can still shorten our stride a bit. Last 30. Looking great here, team. Final 15 seconds to better yourself today. We're gonna bring that incline all the way down to 1%. Speed's gonna come down to 2 to 3 miles per hour. In 3, 2, 1, bring it down. Whew. Team, we made it. Breathe, catch your breath. Bring that speed down to 2 miles per hour. All right, awesome job. Got another 30 seconds to breathe and catch your breath in this 10-minute workout. If you do have an extra couple minutes, maybe only even like 1 minute, would highly encourage you to hit at least one or a few stretches for those legs. But that is all the time I have with you for today. Thank you so much for joining me and trusting me to take you on this journey, starting out with jogging and running. Again, my name is Sunny Trainer Mara, and I'll catch you next time.
Hey everyone, if you've enjoyed this workout, I invite you to follow me on the SunnyFit app. There you'll find many more classes from me. I teach trampoline cardio, dance cardio, cardio kickboxing, plus many more from all the SunnyFit trainers. If you haven't yet downloaded the SunnyFit app, click the link in the description below, and we'll see you there.